Since one size never fits all, Bluetail allows an owner to customize and add logbooks and categories for optimal organization. To add a new logbook or category for your aircraft registry, click on the Customer Profile icon in the upper right corner of the app and select Settings from the drop-down menu. From this screen, users can click on the Logbooks tab to add any new desired logbook. To do this, simply select the appropriate aircraft from the drop-down menu and enter the desired logbook name and description. Clicking on the blue More Fields link prior to adding the logbook allows the user to enter additional logbook information as shown in this example. Click on the blue plus icon to save the newly created logbook. The logbook will now be available for use in the registry for that aircraft. Finally, if you need to add more folder-like categories for an aircraft, users can click on the Categories tab and follow the same process that was just utilized for adding a logbook. Please also note that users have the option of editing or deleting newly added logbooks and categories by clicking on the appropriate icons as shown.